Crypto Billionaire 69 back with another in-depth daily technical analysis video on Dogelon. My beautiful friends, we have reached 300,000 followers on Twitter. It is a beautiful day in the markets. I hope you guys are doing wonderful in this fine weekend. Hope you guys are staying safe, having fun, getting Ubers, because we need to stay alive to make bank off of these markets, my friends. Let's get straight into the technical analysis. We are almost back to almost back up to $1 billion market cap, which is good to see. 2 videos ago, we predicted this move. It happened exactly as I predicted. Nothing new here, nothing new. We've been predicting these moves since all the way back here. If you guys have been following the videos, you will be in major fat gains right now. So congratulations to those who have been OGs. And congratulations to all the new people, because we are still really early on this project. And we have so much potential. So many freaking moonings. We have so much to go. It's insane. Let's just do some simple technical analysis, my friends. Okay. Crypto Billionaire 69. Hit that subscribe button. Hit the subscribe button. This gosh, I can't talk, guys. I'm sorry. This classical music is really messing me up. Alright, guys, look. Let's get serious. So, this technical analysis on Dogelon Mars. Two videos ago, we saw this pullback, okay? And we saw buying pressure along this bullish flag support line. Alright? We are simply right now just waiting for more confirmation on a breakout, but this is enough confirmation for me that we are in a continuation pattern to the upside. And let me tell you why. Because first of all, if you look at it, we didn't even come down to the line. We didn't even come down to the support level. We bounced off above it, which shows extreme buying pressure, which is absolutely beautiful, my friends. Now, what we want to see here is to start seeing some more buying pressure on this 17 level. If we break through the 17 level, we might come back down to the 1650s, which is completely fine, completely bullish. Everything's looking great on this coin. If you're not in, consider adding bags, my friends. This is not financial advice. Simple advice from a crypto billionaire. Okay, so these are our levels that we need to watch out for in the future to come, my friends. Okay, I do Italiano for you guys. Okay, so here we go. Let's go to the 4-hour charts. I appreciate all the support lately. Started this video 2 weeks ago as a meme, literally just so I could track my own trades, and follow my own price predictions. Because if you don't log yourself, then it's hard to keep track of what you're thinking on all these different coins all the time. That's why I started this YouTube channel. You guys love it. I'm glad you guys love it. And we are all making money together now. Woohoo! What more could I ask for? Help you guys make money. And we become a strong future billionaire community. Together. That's what life is all about. That's what the crypto markets are all about. We're just here to make money. Alright, let's get this. So this is our next support line. We drew this rectangle last video. Came up and touched the exact bottom of this. And then showed some selling pressure, which is absolutely normal. What we want to see here is this to start showing some more buying pressure. Now we can see, came up, got pushed back down. Now that is normally a bearish signal, okay? We'll have to watch for the next 4-hourly candle and see how she looks. If there is more buying pressure here, then we will be looking good. But it very well could come back down, touch this support line, and then move to the upside with volume. That's a confirmation candle. And that's where we want to start averaging in. Now wouldn't be a time to start. Now would be a great time to start averaging in if you have not added any bags. But if you guys are in from back here when I first called it out, you average in more here, and you have been averaging here, then personally, I would wait for that confirmation candle in order to get in. Because if we break the support line, then we're heading all the way back down to this 1570 level. If we break that, we're heading back down to this 618 level, or 0.5 level, on the Fibonacci retracement. Yes, let me take all of this, like, colors and stuff, because I know you guys like simple technical analysis, and you really don't need all these crazy indicators to track where the price is going and where it's where the best time to get in and out is. It's super simple once you get the hang of it. That being said, if you guys don't want to stare at these freaking charts all day long, just let me do it for you and join the Patreon, because this is all I do all day. I literally stare at the charts. I love it. It is my life. And yeah, I'm a nerd like that. So if you don't want to do the work and you want to learn while you make money, then join the Patreon, because I alert you guys on when I'm buying, I'm selling, when the best confirmation to get in it is, and you can just learn through my technical analysis. You have access to private YouTube videos, which teaches you everything. So beautiful people, go check that out if you want to make some money. Let's go right into this. So to the downside, we got to watch this 1578 level. I'll draw a little rectangle for you guys, because there's more of a range, right? There's a range of support, a range of resistance, and then things like this are simple. I'll show you. These support lines here are simply just horizontal lines. There's no range involved here, because it came down and showed volume to the upside. That's what we love to see. Alright, so yeah, this is pretty much all we got to watch out for. Now, the news is looking great. Sentiment is looking great. Markets are continuing back to the upside after this little bearish retracement that we saw, which is completely normal, and I've explained that in a previous video, so go check that out, why Bitcoin dropped. Pretty much to sum it up, Bitcoin dropped to scare the paper hands out, to scare the weak-minded people out of this coin and allow the big institutional money to come in and buy it back up. That's what happened. Those big money players, they pushed the price down to scare more people out. That pushed the price down even more. Then they bought a lot more, which is pushing the price back up, because they know the whole crypto market is going to Mars. But this one here, 10x. I'm holding to a 10x. Now, I will be averaging out on each pump, all right? Let me give you guys an example. If we got in here, right? This is exactly where we are here. If we got in here, you want to average out around this area. Now, with simple technical analysis that I know, you can average out while it's reaching this area. So in this retracement, you can put your money back in and make the fattest gains possible, my friends. So that is the beauty of technical analysis, and that is the beauty of reading the charts. So let's get into, if you guys have not, this next part of the video is for those who have not averaged in yet and are looking for a buying opportunity. My friends, this is a confirmation. Oh my Google.
There are some
Alright. Excuse Google. She's rude sometimes. Alright, this is what you guys want to look for. You want to look for, hopefully we see a push to this support level, and then big green volume overbearing the previous volume levels and the previous red candle that will be coming down to touch this. If we see that and it closes above that on the 4 hourly charts, that is confirmation to average 1/4 of your position in. We use the 1/4 rule here on this channel. That means if you have not 250, if you have $1,000 each confirmation, you average in $250. It's real simple, guys. That's how you mitigate risk and make fat gains in the process. So that's what we want to look for to the upside. To the downside, we want to see if it holds this support, if it breaks the support and doesn't show any buying pressure, then this is our next level right here. We need to watch this 1569, because if it breaks that, we're heading back down to the triple bottom. We're testing it again. And that would be beautiful, beautiful to see, because if you guys have been following since all the way back here, I told you guys this is going to go back down and then trigger whale buying power. What do we see? We saw big money push up. And I explained to you guys why that happened. I'll explain to the new people now. Alright? If you guys are OG, drop an I'm an OG in the comment section. I really want to link up with you guys. Even shoot me an email. I would love to talk to you guys. So, people, why did this drop? And how did you know the institutions were going to push this price back up? Marshall? That's my name. My name is Marshall. I'm a crypto billionaire, 69. Okay, how did I know? So, boom. Price drops here. We see absolutely insane institutional buying power. What we love to see. Comes up, they're holding. And then, as it drops, right? It drops, boom. First test of a new support level. Comes back up, drops again. Second test of a new support level. Now, the third time is the hardest time to break through this support level. It's just historical facts. First of all, that's the first reason why this did not break through, and why I was very confident at why this price would get even stronger. So, what happened when it came down tested this support level? These players, these big money players, did not want that drop in because they knew it's going to go back down to their break-even levels. So they bought major bags, which made this continue to the upside. All right, and along with major news right now, it's getting listed on new exchanges, which is absolutely beautiful. It's perfect for this coin. I'm really hoping the Binance listing is soon. If you guys haven't signed that petition, you should go sign it. It's on change.org. The Dogelon Mars listing, go sign that. I think we were at 8,000 signatures last time. Just a ballpark estimate, so don't quote me on that. But guys, that's what you want to look out for. We all on this channel, we need to ride the waves and then get out before that crashes. We cannot be holding in these 80% drops. That is just bad investing, my friends. If you buy in here, you hold, see a 300, 400% gain, and you don't average out along the way, look how much money you're losing. Look how much money you're taking off the table. You're not losing anything because you didn't sell. If you just hold, you'll be all right. But if you take out profits and then reinvest it all the way at the bottom where it shows support with beautiful, beautiful breakout patterns like this bullish flag we just saw. Now, if this sounds like absolute gibberish to you, just shoot me an email. I would love to talk to you and help you out. I'll leave my email in the description. It's mycryptomoves@gmail.com. But yeah, what we are here to do is get in before the big money pushes it up, and then start averaging out as the mom and pops start investing in these type of coins. All right? Because whenever that happens, the big money is getting ready to take a lot of profits, which is going to push the price down, leave Mrs. Mom and Pops right up here in a whole heck of a lot of loss. And then once they sell it to the big money players right down here that bought at the top. It's just a continuing cycle. It happens like this every single time. All right? It's beautiful. And once you know it, you can make so much money. It's insane. You can literally change your life. You can do this for a living. But guys, that's all for this video. If you guys like the video, hit that subscribe button because I post every single day, sometimes even twice a day. If the price action is looking juicy and I get really excited, then I'll post twice a day to 3 times a day, maybe even 4 times a day if I'm really feeling it. But right now it's kind of stagnant. We're just waiting for this breakout to the upside, and then it's gonna be beautiful, guys. Absolutely amazing. So hit that subscribe button. Crypto Billionaire 69 out.